This is the moment where most home cooking quietly goes wrong, without anyone realizing it. Everything looks finished, the food smells good, and people immediately stop paying attention. At this point, most people believe the hard work is already done, and nothing can go wrong. That assumption is exactly what ruins texture, flavor, and overall balance. Cooking does not stop when the heat stops, and this is where confusion begins. Food continues changing even after you remove it from the pan or oven. Inside the food, temperature is still rising, moisture is still moving, and structure is still shifting. Ignoring this phase creates dry, uneven, and disappointing results. Professional kitchens treat this moment with extreme precision and control. They plan for what happens after heat, not just during cooking. This phase is called carryover cooking, and it affects almost every ingredient. Meat, vegetables, pasta, and sauces all behave differently during this time. When you rush this step, juices escape, textures tighten, and flavors lose balance. That is why food tastes worse seconds after plating. Most home cooks blame heat, ingredients, or recipes instead of timing. But timing after cooking is often the real problem. Chefs intentionally stop cooking earlier than expected on purpose. They let residual heat finish the process naturally and evenly. This prevents overcooking while preserving moisture and tenderness. It also keeps flavors stable instead of collapsing. Resting is not optional. It is part of cooking itself. Skipping it removes control from the final result. This is why restaurant food stays juicy, even when served immediately. They manage what happens after the pan, not just inside it. Once you understand this phase, cooking becomes predictable instead of frustrating. You stop guessing and start controlling outcomes. The food does not magically improve by waiting randomly. It improves because temperature and moisture are allowed to stabilize. Every ingredient has a different resting need and response. Ignoring that creates inconsistency every single time. This is not about patience or tradition or secret tricks. It is about understanding how food behaves after heat. When you respect this final phase, results instantly improve. Texture becomes consistent, flavor stays focused, and moisture remains locked in. This single adjustment fixes more dishes than changing recipes ever will. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it.